Hey guys, so this video is on how I got this wonderful makeup look. Hello. I love it. When I was doing it, I was like, oh, this is not gonna turn out right. But I went with it and I think it turned out awesome. Sometimes I just be experimenting with the colors and I'm just like, I don't think this is gonna look right. But I figure it out and it ends up looking great, just like this look. So if you'd like to see how I did this amazing look, watch ahead. If you wanna know why the heck I chose these colors, I ain't got an answer for you. It is what it is, so yes. All right, guys, keep watching. All right, guys, so first I'm gonna start with my brows. If you look, my brows, they're not super bad. They're kind of already shaped, but I just want them to look more defined, right? I'm going for a glam look, like I said, so I want everything to be on point. So I'm gonna be using this brow pomade from e.l.f. and this little angled brush like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think my eyebrows look fine for right now. They are a little dark, but that's fine. I think when I finish the whole look, it'll look better. I'm just gonna be adding some concealer underneath my eyebrows. All right, now that I got the concealer on, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Next, I'm going to be putting on shadow now, right? I'm gonna be doing this blue smoky eye. So I'm gonna start off with the base color of brown first. I'm just gonna put the brown into my crease, going all the way to the front and all the way to the back. And it's okay if I'm going out on the outside, that's fine, it'll be cleaned up. Inner corner and all the way to the outer. All right, so now that I have the brown, I'm gonna go ahead in with this pink shimmer color. And again, I'm gonna be doing the same thing. Inner and all the way to the outer. And again, I'm going further out, which is completely fine because it'll get cleaned up when I use the concealer. And blend it together, just so it's not harsh. Small little circles. Now, with that same brush that I just used with the pink, I'm gonna go in with a blue color. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and I could never get it right, so I'm just gonna look straight. I'm only cutting half of it, so just the first half. All right, they look even to me. They look even to you. Hopefully. All right, that's what I'm sticking with. So I am going to put some more setting powder on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with that same brown brush. All right, next I am going to add the main blue color that I want. Flat brush, this I've already used some blue on before, so it's fine. Pat it on the concealed area. All right, now that I have the blue that I want, I'm gonna go in with the opposite side of this same blue brush and add some more of that pink color to the outer. Blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take my liner, do some liner on top, make it thicker on the outside and thinner on the inside. Just gonna go ahead and take just one of these brushes, I'm sure we all have them, just one of these, and pull and just smoke out. That's all. All right, now I'm gonna put lashes on. Oh, these lashes are from a Instagrammer named Launching My Brand. Her lashes are amazing, you guys. Definitely check her out. She'll be in the comments. I'll definitely tag her in the description, I mean. While my lashes dry, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Pore Eraser Primer. Just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. All right. Now that my pores are erased, right? No, my skin is definitely a lot smoother. Definitely a lot smoother. Yeah, smoother. All right, I'm going to put my lashes on because they are dry now. Let's see if I can do this without the little tool. Ooh. We're good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on. The foundation I'm gonna be using is Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my foundation brush. Just a foundation brush. All right, now that my foundation is on, I am gonna go ahead and put some concealer here, 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 and here, all right? All right, scratch that. Instead of concealer, I'm gonna use some foundation, all right? Cover FX foundation in N80. I'm gonna use this as some concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in with a beauty blender. Oh. Make sure I get underneath my eye and over. I'm gonna put some setting powder on. I'm gonna be using LA Girl Pro Powder, not Pro Concealer, Pro Powder. contouring, I'm going to be using Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark. Oh, super contour. Oh man. Now I'm weird sometimes, guys, forgive me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a fluffy brush to fluff everything out. And put some on my lower lashes. So I tend to look down so I can see better. Just gonna be dabbing it under like that. All right, now spray a little setting spray, and highlight and blush. So the blush I'm gonna be using is part of this Revolution palette. Gonna be using this bad boy right here. Smile. It looks really pink, but I'm gonna blend it out. So I kind of look like a clown right now, right? I'm gonna blend it. Circles, circles. And last but not least, I'm going to add some highlight. Going to use the same contour palette, but instead of contour, I'm going to be using the highlight. For that, I'm just going to... Oh, am I blinding you yet? Just gonna put a little on my nose. And right there. And last but not least, lipstick. All right, now I'm gonna line my lips, guys. You can tell I do not have the little dip thing, Cupid's bow, Cupid's arrow, whatever. So I'm gonna fake it. This is how. I'm just gonna do a little X, right? Can't really tell, but I'm just gonna do an X. See the X? And then just draw down. Right? It'll look better once I put the actual lipstick on. Blend the liner in. All right, now the lipstick. Power Lips lipstick. I sell this stuff, guys, so if you want to buy some, let me know. All right, guys, so that's all for this look. That's all I got. You guys like it or no? Did I go from 0 to 100? 0 to 75? Do I look like a clown? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.